So we're going to do a spaghetti today. In fact, it doesn't have to be spaghetti. You could use any pasta you want. I'm using spaghetti. We've got vegetables in there. I've got mushrooms, zucchini, spinach, lots of garlic, some oregano, cream, cheese, tomatoes. It is wonderful. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with this one. Okay, so I've got some spinach here. If you're going to use fresh spinach like me, make sure you wash it really nicely in some cold water. You know, it's got little bits of grit and all that in there. And I've chopped that up. If you want, you could use a frozen one. Mushrooms, this is like 150 grams of mushrooms, a couple of decent size zucchini there, 1 onion, a tablespoon of garlic, about 3 teaspoons of oregano, 1 can of tomatoes. They were whole plum tomatoes, but I just crushed them roughly. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this, and we're going to be adding some cream and some cheese to this later, but I'll explain that later on. And also spaghetti. Get your pasta cooked, because we're really going to concentrate on making this, and we'll be adding the pasta of your choice a bit later. So I've got my pan here with some olive oil in. The heat's on. Just put it on now. We're going to get in our onion and our garlic. So medium heat, about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, a few minutes just getting our onions and garlic together. We can now add in our zucchini, our mushrooms, I'm going to get a little bit of salt in there now, some black pepper, and we're going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Next up, we're going to add the spinach. This is delicious. Wonderful stuff. Next up, we're going to add in our spinach, our fresh spinach. Going to add that oregano. If you want, you could change that. You could put some thyme in, rosemary, basil, or one of those kind of, Italian mixed herbs. It's quite nice in a pasta. So we're going to cook this again, another 4 or 5 minutes. The spinach is going to break down, and then we can move on. Okay, this is absolutely looking great. That spinach is broken down really nicely. We're going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. Like I say, this was a plum whole tomato, and what I've done is I just crushed it with my hand roughly. Stay on this vibrant above medium heat now, just a little bit above medium, and go for about another 5 minutes. You want to kind of just cook those tomatoes out. Really good, really, really good. Okay, we're going to add some cream now. Now, I've got here a thick cooking cream. You don't have to use thick cream, you can use thin cream. I get lots and lots of messages about this. You can use any cream you like. Don't use ice cream and don't use sour cream, but thick or thin, it's not going to make any difference at all. 250 ml of that cream there. Then I've got some lovely grated parmesan here. In that goes. And then I'm going to add some grated cheddar. Now you could be putting any cheese you want in. You could be putting in some cream cheese, like some Philadelphia. That goes nice in here. A blue cheese, something nice and strong. Some mozzarella, up to you. Okay, stay on this heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving all the time now. So you've now got an incredible vegetable, creamy, cheesy, tomatoey, garlicky sauce. Grab your pasta of choice. Mine is spaghetti. I'm just going to get that in there. Now you could obviously be using anything you want. Fusilli, tagliatelle, penne, go where you like. Now, my pasta is cold, because I cooked it earlier, so for about another 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to work it in this sauce. And then we're ready, we can serve that, it's delicious. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, look at that, a lovely, creamy, cheesy, garlicky vegetable pasta. Let's give it a little extra parmesan, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a great deal. Leave a comment, we like to hear from you. We will see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe, be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.